We are doing chapter number 2. What we have done yesterday.
For proteins.
Test for proteins.
Yes, we have done test for protein. So we have completed 3 tests. The test for starch, test for proteins, and test for fats. So we have also done the activity. Yes. So out of these 3, you have to write. We have to write only 2 tests: test for starch and test for fats, on the notebook. But we will write it later on after we complete the chapter and exercise part. Clear? So we have done starch test. So can anyone tell me what are the chemicals that we have used for testing starch, and what is the raw material that I have chosen? Raise your hand. Yes, Abhi. Yes, sir, Gunpreet. What are the material required? What is the solution that we have used in the test for starch?
Ma'am, iodine solution.
Yes. And the raw material? Very good.
Raw potato.
Very good. And the second, and what is the color that we obtained at the last? Yes, Harshpreet Singh.
Ma'am, blue black color.
Yes, it is blue black. Very good. So whenever iodine reacts with starch, it produces blue black color. And next we have done test for fats. Okay, what we have observed in the test for fats? Yes, Arman.
And then we press one paranta in the paper.
Yes.
The oil is absorbed in paper.
Very good. We get an oily fats. Very good, Arman. And the next, for the third one, for the test for proteins, what are the chemicals that we have used? Raise your hand. Yes, Manju.
Caustic soda and copper sulfate.
Yes, copper sulfate. Very good. So next, please open your books. I hope you all have pencil with you.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please explain the test of protein, please.
Okay, yes. You have attended the class yesterday?
Ma'am, no.
Okay, so I will explain the test. You can watch the video for the experiment. Clear? I am just explaining the test. So I have taken dal, okay, moong dal for testing protein. Okay. तो हमने इसमें क्या किया था, टेस्ट ट्यूब में वो उस मूंग दाल को डाला, क्रश की हुई थी, ग्राइंड की हुई थी, एंड देन वी हैव एडेड 10 drops of water into it. Then we shake it here, and then we put 2 drops of copper sulfate here. It gives light green color when we add when we have added the copper sulfate solution, and then we add 10 drops of caustic soda. Clear? And it gives a dark color, that is violet. Okay, so if there is we obtain the violet color, that means the substance that we are using contains protein. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, bache. Now, students, we have discussed the nutrients that are present in the food. So today we will discuss sources of these nutrients. Okay. So carbohydrates is called dash type of food. Raise your hand. Yes. Sachit, carbohydrates are Harshpreet Chawla.
Ma'am, carbohydrates में carbs भी होते हैं and starch भी होता है.
Yes. But these are also called which type of food?
Energy giving.
Very good. It is energy giving food. Carbohydrates in the food is present in the form of starch and sugars. Remember that? So the next one is fats. It is also a energy giving food. And next, proteins. Yes, Tanisha Gupta.
Ma'am, bodybuilding food.
Very good. Bodybuilding food. So these foods help in building muscles. Okay, and the next, vitamins and minerals. Yes, Ghazal. Vitamins and minerals are called dash food. Risha Dugal. So I don't think they are physically present. So yes, Sargun, you can answer.
Protective food.
Yes, protective food. These vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. So now open page number 11, 2.2. What do various nutrients do for our body? Here, carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body that we have discussed. Fats also give us energy. So carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Here, in fact, fats give us more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. फैट्स जो है हमें ज्यादा एनर्जी देती है एज कम्पेयर टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. अगर इन दोनों में से कंपैरिजन किया जाए, फैट्स और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में से ज्यादा एनर्जी कौन देता है? फैट्स. व्हाई सो? I told you that fats is present in oil. Okay, and these oil, when we eat samosas or any fried thing, so we feel heavy. Clear? And fats consist of complex molecules. मैंने आपको बताया था बहुत complex molecules होते हैं fats के. So it will take time to digest the substances that contain oil. Can you tell me, samosa will digest easily or fruit will digest easily? Yes, Javish. Fruit. ओके, सो थोड़ा सा आपको थोड़े टाइम बाद आपको फिर से भूख लग जाएगी, बट अगर आपने कोई ऑयली चीज खाई है, यू फील हैवी इन योर स्टमक एंड यू डोंट फील हंग्री. क्लियर? सो these oils remain in your stomach for more time. Clear? And therefore they give more energy. आपको फ्रूट थोड़ी देर खाने के बाद आपको फिर से भूख लग जाएगी, फिर एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगी कि हाँ मुझे भूख लग गई है, मुझे खाना चाहिए. बट जब आप फ्राइड समोसा, पकौड़ा और पोटैटो चिप्स वगैरह ऐसे कुछ खाते हैं तो आपको इतनी जल्दी भूख नहीं लगती है, बिकॉज दीज फैट्स मॉलिक्यूल्स आर कॉम्प्लेक्स इन नेचर एंड यू फील हैवी ऑल्सो. क्लियर?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जो हम टेस्ट करते हैं फैट्स के लिए उसमें होता है कि हमें एक ऑयली पैच मिलता है पेपर पे, बट मैम जो स्वीट पोटैटो होते हैं वो भी फैट्स होते हैं, बट उनमें से तो कोई वो नहीं मिलता ऑयली
Sweet
पैच।
potato, it does not contain oil, बच्चे। Sweet potato में oil नहीं होता है, so therefore we don't obtain the oil patches.
ओके मैम।
जैसे कि पराठा, जैसे उसी स्वीट पोटैटो जो पोटैटो का अगर हम वो पराठा बनाते हैं, वही देखा होगा आपने कि उसमें मम्मा जो है ऑयल वगैरह लगाती हैं, सो दैट वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स में ऐसे ऑयल्स नहीं होते हैं। प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ बच्चे।
पानी ना पी।
So when we prepare vegetable, we cook them in oil, so that raw vegetable does not contain oil. Clear? Now next, food containing fats and carbohydrates are also called energy giving foods. Okay, so underline this: fats and carbohydrate on the top of the page, second column, page number 11. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of the body. So many question. Now we will study
मैम
the
आप
sources
कौन सी लाइन
at the
मैम
top of
आपने
the
कौन
page.
सी लाइन
At the top of the page, second side आप देखिए, right side पे fats and first line है carbohydrates and fats are also called energy giving food. And the next we will study about the sources of these nutrients. Here, so question can be framed from the next line that why do we need protein? Okay, so proteins are needed for the growth and repair of the body. Here, now you will see the figure 2.3 one by
मैडम को गए से हो गया और बच्चे की गल सॉल्व।
Yes, students, in figure 2.3 some sources of carbohydrates are given. So Arman, can you read figure 2.3? What are the sources of carbohydrates? Page number is 11.
मैम इस चैप्टर में से कोई डायग्राम तो नहीं है ना बनाने के लिए?
No,
No, कोई
Yes.
2.3.
Yes.
And there are some sources of carbohydrates: groundnuts, sunflower, coconut
No,
oil.
no, above the figure that is above it, not the below one, above one. Figure 2.3, in which sweet potato,
And there is no sweet potato.
it is present in the Sargunpreet, can you read, bache?
Sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, melon, mango, maize, bajra, rice, wheat.
So these are the sources of carbohydrates. So I can also ask you a question that name two sources of carbohydrates. So you will write any two examples. Maize क्या होती है? मक्की, आपको पता है? So and the next, I can also frame the question in this way that melon is rich in which type of nutrient? So you have to write carbohydrates. Clear? Next, the sources of fats. There are two types of the sources. There are the plant sources and the animal sources. So in the figure A, plant sources are given, and in the B, animal sources are given. That the plant sources in which we obtain the fats from the plant. Harshpreet? Read the sources of fats. Figure 2.4.
4. Sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, groundnuts, till or almond. B, ma'am, ghee,
Okay, just 1 minute.
milk,
Nuts are also there. Almond, cashews. These are nuts, so these contain fats also. And do you know what is groundnut? Davish, what is groundnut? Yes, moongfali. So the and the another one till. Have you seen till? Sesame seeds. If you have seen a burger, there are white seeds that are present on it that are called till. Yeah. And the next, the sources of fats from the that is animal source. Yes, Anmol. Read figure. Read the sources of fats. B part.
meat, eggs, fish.
Yes. Milk, cream. These are also given. Stay attentive in the class. I can choose any one student. Clear? And the next, proteins. Now these proteins are called bodybuilding foods. So what are the sources of proteins? The plant source. Read the figure 2.5a part. Next page. Yes, Sachit.
मैम ग्राम, मूंग, चुरहद दाल, beans, soya beans, and peas.
Yes. Tur dal, moong, these all the pulses that contain these all pulses contain the proteins. Okay, that they help in building muscles. Okay, and the next, the sources of protein. B part. Ghazal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Meat, fish, paneer, and eggs.
Yes, so their dairy products also contain these proteins. Okay, and the next is the para that is given. Underline it. The line proteins are often called bodybuilding foods. And the next is vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. We have discussed that vitamins and minerals all are called protective foods. So these foods protect us from diseases and infections. Clear? So अगर आपके इन्फेक्शन या डिसीज से किसी से दूर रहना है तो आपको विटामिन एंड मिनरल रिच डाइट लेनी चाहिए. Clear? So the vitamins are now in the next para. Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. So these are known by different names. Some of these vitamins are vitamin A, and the next one is vitamin C, and the next is vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Yeah. So these are present in different food items. We are saying that there are different types of vitamins that are present in different kinds of food. Clear? And our body, and the next line, you will underline the name of the vitamins A, C, D, E, and K. Clear? So there is also a group of vitamins that is called vitamin B complex. I'm writing here. Vitamin B complex. So why it is called so as vitamin B complex? Because it is a group of vitamins. Clear? There are subgroups in the vitamin B complex from B1, B2, B3 up to B12. Therefore, it is called B complex. Okay? Because write down it from B1 to B12. Here in vitamin B complex, there are vitamins from B1 to B12. Therefore, it is called vitamin B complex. Clear? So it is further divided into 12 vitamins. Clear? So our body needs these vitamins. For example, vitamin A is required for good eyesight. Okay, it is good for eyes. And the next C, that will help in fighting against the diseases. Clear? There is different function and different source for the vitamin. We will study. And vitamin D, it is useful for the bones and teeth also. Now next, I am reading the next column on page number 12, that our body needs all types of these vitamins in small quantities. Clear? Vitamins A, underline this. Vitamin A, underline the whole para. The first para that is given. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम व्हाट इज द मैम विटामिन के को क्या उसकी एग्जांपल क्या है मैम?
We will study.
जैसे
We will study in the next. We will study the sources of these vitamins.
सनफ्लावर ऑयल कौन सा होता है?
Sunflower oil.
मैम व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ विटामिन के?
So, student, there is not definition is not included in your syllabus.
ओके मैम.
Yes. So,
मैं
underline the para. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases, and vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Clear? And the next minerals are also needed. Now we will discuss some sources of vitamin A, B, C, and D.
what is sunflower oil?
Yes, सूरजमुखी उससे जो ऑयल मिलता है हमें उसको बोलते हैं सनफ्लावर ऑयल. It is yellow flower. Okay. तो उससे जो हमें ऑयल मिलता है उसको बोलते हैं सनफ्लावर ऑयल. And the next is, who will read the sources of vitamin, some sources of vitamin A? Anyone student? Yes, Suksaga.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, बच्चे.
Ma'am, wheat, liver, and rice.
The figure that is above it. उसके जो फिगर ऊपर है उसके नीचे लिखा गया है कि some sources of vitamin A. Figure 2.6. फिगर ऊपर बना.
Ma'am, papaya,
Yes.
carrot, mango,
Fish
fish oil, and milk.
Milk. Very good. So students, you have to remember the sources of all these that we have studied. Okay. Many questions can be framed from it. Clear? And the next is some sources of vitamin B. Tanisha Gupta.
Ma'am, wheat, rice, liver.
Very good. So these contain vitamin B. And the next is some sources of vitamin C.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, you can read, bache.
Ma'am, guava, green chili, lemon, avla, orange, and tomato.
Yes, vitamin C is present in the citrus fruits. जैसे कि
Ma'am, खट्टी चीजों में
orange,
ये present.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, very good. So for example, orange, lemon, amla. But it is not present in guava and chili. It is not citrus in nature. Clear? Remember this point. Yes.
Ma'am, liver is our body part.
It is the part of meat that we eat, the liver part that we eat. No, it is not the part of our body. Okay, it is a part of meat that we eat. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
अपनी बॉडी का लीवर नहीं हम खा रहे हैं, from the other animal, of the other animal. Yeah. And the next is some sources of vitamin D.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Can I read? Fish, butter, egg.
Fish, butter, milk, and there are also eggs.
Fish,
So,
liver.
yes. Very good, bache. Thank you. And next, on the next page, see this. Page number 15. Underline this. The box that is given on page number 13. It is 13, bache. Our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. So, it is very important to know that the natural source of vitamin D is sunlight. Clear? Note this thing also that it is not present in the sunlight. विटामिन डी प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है सनलाइट में, बट जब हम सनलाइट में बैठते हैं तो आवर बॉडी मेक्स विटामिन डी. क्लियर?
मैम आपने कौन सा बताया था विटामिन सी? मैम कौन सी दो चीजों में मैम नहीं आता?
गावा और चिली.
ओके मैम.
यस. So vitamin D, the natural source, sunlight is the natural source of vitamin D. But it is important to note that our body in the presence of sunlight make vitamin D. It is not present in the sunlight. Clear? You should remember this thing. And ऐसा नहीं है कि अब धूप निकली है 12 बजे, अभी तो it is too hot. So in the early morning you can sit in the sun. Okay, the radiations are not that much harmful at that time. Clear? But in the afternoon the temperature is very high. Clear? So it can also irritate your skin. So in the early morning in the sunlight, not in the afternoon. Yeah. Now you will tell me vitamin D is present in the sunlight. Anyone?
Ma'am, no.
मैम मैम वो प्रेजेंट ही नहीं होता.
It is not present in the sunlight. Our body produces it in the presence of sunlight. Clear? So students, you will, now I will ask you that what is the sorry, vitamins and minerals are called dash food.
Ma'am, protective food.
Protective food.
And vitamin D helps, and that the vitamin D that we have discussed now, it helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Vitamin D हम कहाँ से मिला है? Sunlight. Vitamin D in the presence of sunlight हमारी जो बॉडी है वो प्रोड्यूस करती है, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन टेकिंग कैल्शियम. ओके, calcium is useful for bones and teeth. Clear? Tell me another thing. If one student is eating only protein rich diet, it is useful or harmful for that student or any child, you can say.
Ma'am, it is harmful.
Ma'am, it is harmful.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is harmful.
Yes,
It is harmful.
Because we get only one kind of food.
so excess of every nutrient can be harmful. Okay, so we have to take the diet in a proper manner, not that much of carbohydrates or not that much of fats. Clear? So these all nutrients should be balanced in a proper way. Deficiency भी नहीं होनी चाहिए हमें उसकी, and ज़्यादा amount में भी नहीं लेना है उसको. So these things we will discuss in the further topics. Clear?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
मैम कैल्शियम के मैम रिच सोर्स में सिर्फ मिल्क और एग ही आते हैं.
Yes, milk and egg. So students, there is an important thing also. See the figure 2.4, there is also milk. In the next 2.5, milk is also there. And vitamin A, milk is also there. So milk is present in, milk has fats also, proteins also, vitamin A and vitamin D, phosphorus and calcium also. So it is a storehouse of nutrients. So you should drink milk. Yeah. It is called the storehouse of the nutrients because fat is also present in it, protein, vitamin A, vitamin D, and some minerals that we will study later on. Yeah.
It is a
It is.
balanced diet.
It is not. We need other things also to get the balanced diet. Okay, that
excuse me, ma'am.
yes, bache.
Ma'am, I learned that there are two types of vitamins. In one group, vitamin A, D, E, and K cannot get into blood easily. They need proteins to get in, and in the other group there are vitamin C and vitamin B complex, which can get into blood easily.
Yes, students. So these. So you are talking about the absorption of the vitamins.
Yes.
So we will discuss in detail also that how these are get absorbed. You will study in the further classes that how they get absorbed.